Hey guys, Daddy Mike here. I've got another great product to show you today. It's the GULIGULI Pet Grooming Kit. Now this is not only a pet grooming vacuum, but it's also a hair dryer for your pet. Now this is not only for dogs, but you can also use it to groom your cat to get that extra fur that they're shedding. This pet grooming vacuum and hair dryer comes with 3 heat settings and 2 speed settings. It has the dog clippers. The dog clippers come with 7 different hair removal tools. It features low noise and an LED screen. So let's unbox this and take a look at what it includes. And then we're going to try it out on my cat since I don't have a dog. Okay, this looks very nice. So here you have your main unit. It has some really good weight to it. Tell this is a high quality pet grooming kit made by GULIGULI. Has an LED touchscreen on the top. This is the canister where the fur goes when you vacuum it or clip it from your pet. So here we see all of our pieces for the GULIGULI Pet Grooming Kit. It's a nice tool here to remove excess fur, and we just push this like this to clean it off, and the vacuum will suck it in. Here we have, this is a blow nozzle where you can use for drying. Here we have hose and some clipper guards and a charging cable for the clippers. This looks like a crevice tool. Here's another dryer attachment, blow dry. Here's another tool for vacuuming your pet's fur. Again, this one you can clean also by pressing the button. Nice attachment. You can use this to vacuum fur off of your couch or cat tree, other furniture that your dog or cat lays on. You can use this to vacuum it up. And here are the very nice clippers. You have your power button. This is the charging port. And we have the instruction manual here. We don't want to forget to read that before operating the GULIGULI Pet Grooming Kit. So let's put this together and try it out. Okay guys, so first I'm going to show you the blower feature. It has a blow dryer with heat, so you can blow dry your dog after you give it a bath. So first we want to attach our hose on this end. And turn it to lock it. We're going to choose our blower attachment. Press our power button, hold, press, blows. Now you can raise the heat setting. 3 different heat settings. And we have this attachment. Okay, the blow dryer works really well with the 3 heat settings and 2 fan blower settings. Now we're going to try the vacuum part of it. To do that, we're going to remove the hose, and we want to remove this cover right here. And then we're going to attach our dust cup. It shows a lock. You're going to put this up on the top, just press and turn until it locks. Now we're going to attach our hose. And we're going to attach our vacuum attachment here. Press the power button, press and hold. And we also have this vacuum attachment. It's like a crevice tool. Now I'm going to get my cat and use this brush tool on her to remove the excess fur. And of course guys, what would a pet grooming kit be without the trimmers? This trimmer is cordless. You can charge it with this cable right here, plug it into here. It comes with 4 different size guards. You have a 3mm, 6mm, 9mm, and 12mm. These trimmers attach to the vacuum, so there will be no mess. You will need this adapter that comes with it, like this. Put it on like that. Turn on your trimmers. And then turn on your pet vacuum. Works very well, has plenty of suction to suck up the loose fur that you trim off your pet. This GULIGULI grooming kit for pets works really well. It has lots of attachments, very versatile, has a blow dryer with 3 heat settings, 2 speeds, and this vacuum part that also has 2 speeds, and the cordless trimmer. So guys, I highly recommend the GULIGULI grooming kit for pets, so please check it out.